I've done that right away. I just did that now because this has taken more than, it's close to 40 hours now.
Completed by the court. What do you have to say? You have been completed by the court. What do you have to say, Timi? Are you going to appeal this case? Timileyin. I will just say, move. Okay. All right.
For us from Legal Aid Council, I'm the state coordinator. The law has taken its course. Because of the peculiar nature of this case and the accelerated hearing it was given by the judiciary, we have no option. We are lawyers. We only assisted the defendant in presenting his case. The duty to decide the case either way is the exclusive prerogative of the court, and that is what my lord has done, analyzing critically the evidence of both parties. The option is left for the convict and his family members if they choose to test this judgment elsewhere. As I said, it is their discretion. We cannot dictate that to them.
Thank you very much.
So, I'm Dr. Umoru D. Yunusa, State Coordinator, Legal Aid Council.
You have just been completed by the court. What do you have to say? You have been completed by the court. What do you have to say, Timi? Are you going to appeal this case? Timileyin. I will just say, move. Okay. All right.
You don't write.